Now, as you know that we have started the third chapter, measurement of national income, and basic concepts we have completed in previous classes. Now, the main thing today I am going to start. The main thing is that the measurement of national income. So here we have seen that the measurement of national income has been categorized in three ways. So, in national income can be calculated in three ways. Number one, income method, expenditure method, production method, or value added method. So the national income can be measured with the help of the three methods. Number one, income method. Number two, expenditure method. Number three, production method or value added method. So first we have to know what is income method. What is income method? In case of income method, national income is measured in terms of the payment made to the factors of production. We know that in production four factors needed. So we have to pay the payment to the factors. So this is known as the factor payment of the production. So in case of income method, national income measured in terms of the payment made to the factors of production. So this is known as the income method. So now here I have made the three components of income method. Clearly you see that income method has three elements, three components. Number one, compensation of employees, operating surplus, mixed income of the self-employed. Compensation of employees, in short form COE, operating surplus OS, mixed income of the self-employed MIAC. So this is the short form of the elements. Now, what is COE? Compensation of employees. Compensation of employees means the income received by the factors of production in the form of wages, rent, profit. So this is the COE, compensation of employees. Now operating surplus. What are the operating surplus? Operating surplus means the income received by the factors of production in the form of property and also other ways. So it is included in the operating surplus. And mixed income of self-employed means those the individual who have their own business. So this type of business included in the mixed income of the self-employed. So one by one I will explain the component. First, COE. You see that compensation of employees. So compensation of employees, it has three elements. It has three elements. Number one, wages and salaries in cash. Number two, wages and salaries in kind. And number three, employers' contribution to social security schemes. So compensation of employees means wages and salaries in cash, wages and salaries in kind, employers' contribution to social security scheme. So these three elements are included in COE. At the time of calculation, national income, it will be COE directly will be the value of the COE directly will be given. Otherwise, sometimes we have seen that in the calculation of national income, COE directly not given, but their parts. Their parts means wages and salaries, in kind, employers' contribution, these are given. So with the help of these three elements, we can calculate national income because these three elements included in COE. So wages and salaries in cash means basic pay, house rent, bonus, sick leave allowances. So these will be included in cash. Wages and salaries in kind, free housing, medical facilities, free education, free food. So these are the elements included, wages in kind. And third point, employers' contribution, social security, PF means provident fund, pension, after retirement and life insurance, these are included in social security. So these are the part of the income method. So only few portion I have discussed now. COE and operating surplus are left. So now next, operating surplus. What is operating surplus? You write the elements of operating surplus. Clear? So again I repeat, measurement of national income. National income can be calculated with the help of the three methods: income method, expenditure method and production method. Another name of production method is value added method. So today I told income method. What is income method? Income method is the method in which the total income earned by the factors of production calculated. So income method has three components. Number one, COE, OS and MISC. So these three component, when these three component added, then we get the income. Now COE, under COE there are three elements: wages in cash, wages in kind and so employer's contribution. So what is the meaning of cash? So in bracket it has written. So these three elements included in COE. So you have to keep in mind the portion of the COE at the time of calculation. You have to keep in mind. Now next, operating surplus. We write one by one the elements of operating surplus. Operating surplus has two elements. You write one by one. Income from property, and number two, income from entrepreneurship. Income from entrepreneurship. So income from property, rent, interest and profit. Rent, interest and profit. Rent, interest, royalty, not profit. Profit included this portion. Rent, interest, royalty. And income from property included profit. Clear? So operating surplus has two elements: income from property and income from entrepreneurship. Income from property means rent, interest and royalty. When these three things are added, then we get the income from property, and income from entrepreneurship means profit. So these four elements, when these four elements added, then you get operating surplus. So in operating surplus, four components included: rent, interest, profit and royalty. These four made operating surplus. So today up to this, next day I will say you mixed income of self-employed. But in mixed income of self-employed, there are no components, there are no elements, only mixed income of self-employed. So in calculation of income method, we have to keep in mind how many elements or components needed. Number 3 elements needed. Number 1, COE, operating surplus and MISC. So with the help of these three components, we can calculate income of the factors of production. So next class I will say how to calculate income in income method. So today up to this, thank you.